Cabinets are one of the most important elements in a kitchen remodel because they define both how the space looks and how it functions. Many homeowners reach a point where their cabinets look outdated, but still work perfectly, and that leads to a common question. Should you replace them entirely or simply reface them? Both refacing and replacement can dramatically improve the look of a kitchen, but they differ significantly in cost, timeline, and design flexibility. For example, imagine a homeowner who loves their kitchen layout but wants a more modern cabinet style without changing appliances or plumbing. Or consider a homeowner whose cabinets are worn out or poorly designed and need a full upgrade to improve storage and usability. Understanding the difference between refacing and replacing cabinets helps homeowners choose the solution that fits their goals and budget. Refacing is a renovation method where the existing cabinet boxes stay in place while the visible surfaces are replaced. Typical refacing work includes new cabinet doors, new drawer fronts, updated hardware, and a new veneer or finish on the cabinet frames. Refacing lets homeowners dramatically change the kitchen appearance without removing the underlying cabinet structure or altering major plumbing and wiring. Homeowners like refacing because it is usually 30 to 50% less expensive than full replacement and can often be completed in just a few days. For example, a kitchen with solid cabinet boxes but outdated oak doors can be updated with modern shaker doors and new hardware to achieve a fresh look. Another example is a homeowner who wants to change from dark wood cabinets to painted white fronts to brighten the space without a full renovation. In short, refacing changes how cabinets look while keeping the original cabinet structure intact. Replacement means removing the existing cabinets entirely and installing new cabinet boxes and components from the floor up. This process allows homeowners to completely redesign their kitchen layout and improve overall functionality with custom storage solutions. Replacement can include new cabinet boxes, custom storage features, improved layouts, and modern organization systems built in. For example, a homeowner who wants to add an island or expand cabinet runs usually needs replacement to reconfigure plumbing and electrical and support the new layout. Or consider a kitchen with damaged or poorly built cabinets that are structurally compromised and cannot be reused, which makes replacement the sensible choice. Replacement provides full design freedom, but is typically more expensive and takes longer because demolition, installation, and finishing are required. In short, replacement is best when you want a completely new kitchen layout or long-term structural improvements. Budget and timeline are major factors influencing the decision because refacing reuses boxes and requires less labor, so it tends to cost thousands less than full replacement. Refacing projects can often be completed in a few days, while replacement can take several weeks, especially if it involves structural changes and new countertops. For example, a homeowner preparing their house for sale may choose refacing to refresh the look quickly and keep costs down. Conversely, a homeowner planning a full renovation with new cabinets, countertops, and appliances will usually opt for replacement to coordinate all elements. To decide between refacing and replacement, evaluate 3 factors: cabinet condition, satisfaction with the layout, and your budget, plus long-term plans. If the cabinet boxes are structurally sound, refacing may be a great option to update the look without major expense. If you want to change the layout or increase storage significantly, replacement is usually necessary because it allows repositioning and custom solutions. Budget and long-term plans matter. Refacing works well for cosmetic updates, while replacement is better for long-term structural improvements. For example, someone planning to stay for many years and seeking a fully customized kitchen will often favor replacement for durability and tailored storage. Meanwhile, a homeowner wanting to modernize the space without a major renovation may choose refacing to achieve a fresh look quickly and affordably. Ultimately, the right decision depends on the condition of your cabinets, your renovation goals, and your budget. So weigh those factors before committing.